calorimetry, heat capacity and specific heat capacity. So what is calorimetry? So calorimetry is a method used in the lab to measure the heat change of a reaction by using an apparatus known as the calorimeter. We will be looking into two types of calorimeter. The first one is constant pressure calorimeter. It is also known as simple calorimeter. Biasanya calorimeter ni kita gunakan untuk mengkaji tindak balas yang berlaku di dalam suatu solution pada constant atmospheric pressure. So kalau kita tengok pada rajah calorimeter itu, dia diperbuat daripada styrofoam cup, yang mana styrofoam cup tu dia akan insulate the reaction mixture from the surrounding. Lepas itu dia fitted with thermometer dan juga stirrer. Heat released by the reaction is absorbed by solution and the calorimeter. And the heat released from the reaction is recorded as the maximum temperature of the mixture. So actually, this type of calorimeter is suitable for the reaction in which dia punya peningkatan suhu tidak terlalu ketara. Next, kita tengok pula constant volume calorimeter. It is also known as bomb calorimeter. It is used to measure the heat of reaction while holding volume constant and resisting a large amount of pressure. So actually, this type of calorimeter is made up of strong vessel filled with pure oxygen at pressure of 25 atm and immersed in exactly a known mass of water. A known mass of substance is then introduced into the steel vessel and ignited electrically. Jadi yang heat released from the reaction will be absorbed by the calorimeter and also the water surrounding vessel. Next, I will introduce you to two important terms that will be used in calorimetry calculation. The first one is heat capacity. Simbol dia C besar, capital C. It is the amount of heat required to raise temperature of a given quantity of the substance by 1 degree Celsius. Dia punya simbol adalah joule per degree Celsius. Lepas tu untuk specific heat capacity, simbol dia small c. It is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance by 1 degree Celsius. So kalau kita tengok beza heat capacity dengan specific heat capacity adalah perkataan 1 gram di sana. Jadi simbol untuk specific heat capacity adalah joule per gram per darjah Celsius. So sebagai contohnya, specific heat capacity of water is 4.18 joule per gram per degree Celsius. Maksudnya, untuk menaikkan suhu bagi 1 gram air sebanyak 1 darjah Celsius, kita memerlukan 4.18 joule tenaga. Sama juga case untuk iron, yang mana specific heat capacity adalah 0.45 joule per gram per degree Celsius. So meaning to say, in order to raise the temperature of 1 gram of iron by 1 degree Celsius, we need to use 0.45 joule of energy. So jadual ini menunjukkan rumusan bagi heat capacity dan juga specific heat capacity daripada segi simbol, definisi dan juga unit. Next, let's take a look at basic principle in calorimetry. So if we have two bodies of different temperatures, okay, placed in physical contact with each other, heat is transferred from the body with higher temperature to the body with lower temperature until thermal equilibrium is attained between them. Maksudnya di sini, body at high temperature tu dia will release heat dan body at low temperature will absorb heat. Meaning to say, the principle of calorimetry indicates the law of conservation of energy in which the total heat lost by the hot body is equal to the total heat gained by the cold body. So, from there, we can conclude that heat released by a reaction is equal to the heat absorbed by surrounding. Jadi, surrounding ni mungkin boleh calorimeter sahaja, ataupun the water atau solution, ataupun the water, solution and calorimeter. So in the next video kita akan tengok macam mana kita mau apply basic principle in calorimetry ini di dalam calculation punya part. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.